What's going on, guys? It's Chorus, and we're going to be doing an unboxing video today of the Lootgaming loot crate. I'm not sure what's in this one, but let's have a look. I can open the box. Okay, so we've got some pretty cool things in here. Seems to be a lot of Overwatch stuff. So, I have no idea what this is. So we've got Metroid. Something to do with Nintendo. Cool. I have no idea what this is, but it seems cool. We also have like a little, looks like a keychain. Okay, it makes some noise. It's open a bit of paper. Okay, so Destiny 2. Something to do with Destiny 2, guys. So Destiny 2 fans, you might know what this is, but I have no idea. So tell me in the comments below what this is. I'm sure we'll find out in a second anyway. But so yeah, we've got a cool little keychain. Ooh. What else we got in here? Okay, this is cool. I can unfold it. Got an Overwatch anniversary shirt. That's pretty cool. It's got all the different Overwatch characters and everything on, which is pretty cool. What else we have got in here? Oh my god, no way! We should totally make this on stream, guys. So we've got a easy to assemble laser cut wooden diva model, mecha model. That's gonna be fun. Definitely building that. Also got a pin that says pew pew. Pew pew. We also have, so this must be supposed to Overwatch our anniversary. We also have the poster. That's crazy. I don't know if you guys can see that. It's pretty cool. Hey guys, that's everything in that box. Oh, this also includes a diva poster. This one, but we're gonna build this on stream very shortly. So that's gonna be fun. So yeah, we had the poster, the pin, the diva, the Destiny thing, the diva builder, mecha, and Nintendo Metroid. I really don't know what Metroid is from. I'm not entirely sure. Strange. It has that picture if anyone knows it. Like, I don't know. But it seems like a cool box, guys. So thumbs up for that. But yeah, guys, so that is it for the unboxing video. I think it's pretty cool. We're definitely gonna build this though. I'm quite excited. I mean, it's paint it as well. I mean, how fun. So yeah, that is it. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to tune in on twitch.tv/Quartz49 every day to come see me live playing video games, doing some IRL, doing some creative. Also be sure to subscribe to my music channel. I'm slowly getting back into doing music, so it'd be really cool to see you guys there. But yeah, guys, have a good day. Peace.